welcome to my channel, guys. Once again, in today's video, guys, I'm going to be teaching you how to make money online, how to make $65 over and over again in a day, guys. How you can make $65 over and over again in one day. All right. So guys, I'm not going to be long in this video. I'm just going to show you the website and then you start making money. Okay, so if you like making money online, guys, please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button so that when I take out videos, you can be the first person to see the videos. All right, I'm in South Africa right now, guys. I make my money online. I make most of my income online. So I'm just going to be giving you only 2 steps on how you can simply make $65 over and over again online. All right. So guys, let us jump into the website very quickly. As you can see, I'm on my channel. Please subscribe on my channel so that you can learn ways on how to make money online. All right. Guys, the website that I'm going to be talking about today, it's an affiliate website, and that is Bluehost. Bluehost is a hosting website. It assists people to host their blogs, their websites, so that they can also make money on their website. So we actually affiliating on Bluehost today, and we want to make $65 each and every time. So this is what you simply do, guys. Go onto your Google site, Google Bluehost affiliate program. Okay, Bluehost affiliate program. If you come on Bluehost affiliate program, you then register there. It is 100% free to register for your Bluehost affiliate program. All right. So I'm not going to register, guys, because of this will take much time. I'm going to log into the website because of I have already registered to the account. Okay, and then after that, I'm going to take you guys to the site that is going to help you make money on Bluehost. Okay. So while we're waiting for the website to open up, you'll actually see, guys, that this is an affiliate program. As you can see, I'm logging into my affiliate account. All right, logging into my affiliate account. You can create a website. You can create an account here if you do not have one. Okay, so just create a website. Just create an account on Bluehost affiliate marketing. This is an easy way to make money. As you can see, this is a new affiliate just for you to see, guys, how much you can be earning. You can read here. You can read each and everything here, so that you can also know what you are doing. Okay, this is how it will show up here. If ever there are any clicks or anyone who clicked on your links, you'll actually see each and everything here. If ever you've made money, you'll see your money here. You'll see your net sign-ups here. And then this is your net clicks here, how many people clicked on your link. All right, so without wasting much of your time, guys, this is how you do it. Okay, you go to a website called medium.com. medium.com is a website where you can write articles. People can come and read your articles, and then you start making money. But then in this case, guys, we are not going to be writing any articles, but then we just want to make sure that people get to reach to our affiliate links. So this is the simple way, guys, to write for yourself an article, because we do not want to get paid to write articles. We want Bluehost to pay us when somebody clicks our affiliate link. All right. So you come on medium.com, create an account. If you haven't created an account, create an account. Come here. Where you see your icon, your picture icon, you just click on it. It will show you something like this. If you want to write a story, you can click here, write an article. For example, I can click here. When I want to write an article, I can then write my article from here, and your article will automatically go online, guys. So a million people, a billion people can get to read your article. All right. So you come here, you write your article, and then remember, guys, we are promoting what? We are promoting Bluehost. So on whatsoever article that you write, you will then include your Bluehost affiliate link. As I said, guys, we are not going to be writing any articles. If you follow me very well, you will see how we are going to put our links so that people can see our links. All right. So on that icon, if you click there, as you saw, I clicked here, write my link. This is how, if you want to write an article and include your links, you can write the link here. But then I want you to come here where it says stories. All right. Go to stories. On stories, guys, you will see how many articles you've written. This is my draft. These are the published articles that are published already. If I click on publish, it will show you how many stories are there that I have published. Okay, and then if you want, you can say if you want to check the response on your stories. As you see, guys, these are the stories that I've written. In all the stories, I also include my affiliate links. Okay, as I said, you will come then here where it says import story. Import story, guys. Okay, import story. When we come on import story, we'll then go to our Google search. Okay, please search for Bluehost. Bluehost, let's say Bluehost. Bluehost. Okay. All right. When we come here on Bluehost, guys, you'll see that there are stories that people have written here about Bluehost, meaning that all these here, that is, all these stories here, all these articles that you see here, people are promoting Bluehost, guys. People are getting paid by Bluehost. Bluehost is an affiliate program. Actually, Bluehost is a hosting website, okay? But then it also has an affiliate site whereby you can make money on affiliate program on their affiliate program as well. All right. So when we are here, you can see here these are stories people are writing about Bluehost. So we are going to check here, guys. You must take a story that does not include Medium.com. Okay, that does not include Medium.com. For example, we can say here, you can see here Bluehost pricing, which plan is best for 2021. We can click that one, click like that, just to see the article, guys. All right, what this person has written on the article. Okay. Okay. All right. These are the Bluehost reviews. Okay, this is a Bluehost review article. Okay, they're putting their pricing plans and everything. As you can see, guys, you can actually read the story if you want to read the story on what they're saying about Bluehost. But then in this case, okay, it's still fine. We can still use this article and still include our affiliate links. All right. So you'll come here and copy this website link. Copy the website link. Go back to where? To Medium.com. You'll see here where it says paste website link to import, because of we said import story. All right. So we are going to paste this here. I'm going to paste this here. Just 1 second. Try and paste your affiliate, your website link down. That website link that you googled on Google, paste it here. All right. So I'm trying to paste. I do not know why it's not going through. Let me see. Okay. Let me just check for another story, another Bluehost story here. Let's hope it works. Okay. Just check. Any review, guys, that you see here on Google, you can actually take that review and use it for your own advantage. All right. Let me see this one. Okay, let me just copy this link here. Copy link, or then come back to our import story. Okay, as you see, guys, the link was struggling to paste, but then now I've just pasted the link, and then I pressed the way it says import story. What is the what actually medium.com is going to do? It is going to pull out the story as it is. From where? From that story, guys. You can also see it has also it has pulled out everything on that article. All right. So now this is now my article. All right. Let me just check here. The network is a little bit slow, but then it's coming right. So guys, you just import the story into your medium.com, and then go inside your articles. Include your what? Include your affiliate link, the one that you will get from Bluehost. All right. Include your affiliate link. As you can see, it's now a story. It is more like I've written the story myself. All right. So you just come here, rearrange the story, make sure everything is right. Just where there is space, make sure you close the spaces there. All right. Go back to what? Go back to Bluehost. And then when you go back to Bluehost, where your affiliate link is, guys, go to links. As you see, I'm going to my links here. Go to links. Okay. Grab your affiliate link here. Grab this affiliate. This is my affiliate link. This is my Bluehost affiliate. Someone buys from this link, I get paid. Okay. So just copy this link here. Come back to your story, and then make sure you put your link here. You understand? Make sure you put your link. Like for example, if I want somebody to buy or check out this page, instead of here, I can come here, edit, remove that link that was here, insert your link. Okay. Guys, I guess you get the whole moral of this content, like how you can make money. So if somebody comes and clicks here, this is my link here. I'm getting paid when somebody comes and clicks this link here. So you actually make sure that the story is fine, is arranged correctly. You can remove this picture if you want to, just by spacing back. If you want to include pictures about Bluehost, you come here. You include your picture. If you want to include a video, and then after, publish your story. When you publish your story, anyone who comes here can come and read your story, guys. Okay. When that person reads your story, remember you insert your affiliate links wherever here. You understand? If you want, you can say, for example, get instant. Okay, my video is getting long, guys. Okay, but then you or you can just say get Bluehost now. Okay, on that also include your what? Also include your affiliate link here, guys. All right. So if you like the video, guys, and if you want to see more videos on how you can actually add your links into your articles, on how you can actually make money with affiliate marketing, I'm here, guys. Make sure you subscribe so that you can see the videos every time I release the videos. Make sure you hit that notification button so that you can be the first person to view the to view my videos. Okay. So just come here, publish your videos on medium.com and start making money, guys. All right.